Hey guys, welcome to day 12. So day 12, first dress of the month, and it is a Vogue pattern. It is Vogue 1968, and I made the view A with view B sleeve. And now that I am done making it, I felt like I probably would have next time make it a little longer. On me it's fine, it's knee length, literally knee length. I will pop a picture here, you see, but I think if I made this like in a black, I would want the longer version. I think the longer version gives it more of a more dressed up feel, even though I think this is still great. It's a cocktail looking kind of dress. I saw Mimi G and I saw Brittany J. Jones, and I said I want to make it. I was concerned about the bust area because I'm thinking, oh my god, I have the bust is you know, bust was not an issue. Believe it or not, the issue I had was the rouging right here. The rouging here came out really nice, and it just camouflaged this area, you know, the tummy area very nice. And the boobs, the one shoulder off was fine, no issue. Here, for whatever reason, with the turn right here, I had to take it out and redo it. And I think I still struggle a little, like I feel like here maybe could have been a little bit more, but on me it's fine. But I don't know why the rouging here was giving me a headache. Nevertheless, everything else was easy. It is considered easy, and I agree, it is an easy one. This is the kind of dress that if you don't have a lot of time, if I was to redo this again, I'm pretty sure I can get it done in less than 3 hours. That's the kind of dress this is. This is the one where you just like, oh, let me cut it up. I have a party to go to tonight. Get up in the morning and make this dress. So, and it's Vogue, because Vogue sometimes can be complicated, but this was not. The direction was really good. Another thing that I love about this, because it's stretch knit, I opt out of, and I do it all the time. Every time I work with stretch knit and they ask for zipper, I do not put the zipper in. It is stretch knit. It is going to go over my head with no problem. And this is one of those, no issue at all. So you don't need a zipper. But if you are a person that likes to do zipper, knock yourself out. I think I saw Brittany did it. She didn't put in a zipper. I don't know if Mimi G omitted the zipper as well. But I've had a couple of dresses that they asked for zipper and I did not put zipper in it, and no one would have known that it's supposed to be zip in there. You don't need it. And the zipper would have been on this side. And with all this going on, I didn't want that kind of headache of trying to do an invisible zipper on a stretch knit and having it coming out perfect. Plus, I don't think I have any zipper this dark brown. Now, I don't think it's showing on camera because I'm looking right now. This is shiny. It is brown. It's chocolate brown, but there's a shine glare to it. So up person, it is much nicer than it's coming off on camera. Coming off on camera, it just looks just like a chocolate, but no, it is actually a beautiful fabric if you see it up close. But I love this. It came out really nice. It's hemmed, everything is completely done. It is ready to go, and I'm loving it. The back is, you know, very plain. It's not nothing really in the back, but it has all these different cutouts that, you know, make it flare it out a little. But yeah, so what we're gonna talk about book related today. Let's talk about some mystery that I've read this year that I really enjoyed. I read more mystery, but some of them I'm looking at having the back, they were just okay mystery. So we're gonna start with a series that I'm continuing reading. I'm a little sad because there's only one book left in the series, and this is from Barbara Neely, and this is Blanche Cleanup. And this one, it just keeps getting better, because I thought like the last one was really good and I was all here for it, and this time around I'm like, what? She is a woman who constantly gets caught up in other people's mess. In this case, she's a cleaning woman, and she get caught up in this family that has like some political things going on. And you know, in all the cases, either somebody gonna die, somebody gonna steal something on that, and she's gonna figure it out. And sure enough, she did that in this one. This was really good, and I like how her personal life was wrapped up in the storyline with this as well. Walter Mosley, White Butterfly. You know, this is the third book in a 15-book series that I thought I was going to read at least 3 this year. Did not. This is the only one I read. But it's going to continue. It's going to continue. Every March I'll pick up one. Maybe next March I'll read at least 2. And this one is, you know, easy as always. Get caught up and his past comes back to bite him. And he ends up having to help, you know, some government folks. Or he was going to be in some deep trouble when it comes to finance and where he getting his money from and all this other stuff. So this one is also, you know, just, I love this. I'm going to continue until the end, because I think Walter Mosley knows how to put mystery in a book, and this was really good. Then we have The Teacher, and this is my introduction to Frida McFadden. This is my introduction to her. I have one more book that I was hoping to read this year as well, a popular book, but again, she has so many that, you know, March come around, March Mystery Madness, I will be indulging in some more Frida. Okay, and then we have S.A. Cosby, which I was introduced to last year. So of course, All the Singers Bleed, and this one was another hell yeah. This is, you know, a kid roll up in a school and decided to commit murder, and the question is why. And here comes this black sheriff that's elected in that position, and he having to deal with why and racial tension and everything you can think of. He knows how to write a story. I'm here for this author. This is another one that I feel like is going to be my kind of author buy, my kind of want to pick up. My every March I'm going to read one of his books, that kind of deal, because he knows how to tell a story. And so these are the 4 mystery that, you know, suspense kind of book that I felt like was amazing this year that I read. I read other book that has some form of mystery in it, but that's not the main genre I will put it in. There's some classics that could fall into some mystery as well, but I'm saving those for, you know, the classic video. So yeah, this is all that I'm gonna share today. I'm so glad I got this dress out the way. I wish it was sunlight. I'm starting to get really the blues for real, because it has been like 3 days of absolutely no sun. I am literally, it is only 1 o'clock in the day, guys, and I have all these lights on because it is pitch black up here, and I have a sunroof. That should tell you there's nothing going on here, but nevertheless, it got done. Not my kind of lighting to sew in, but it's done. So now I'm going to work on the next project. It's 3 projects total that I wanted to finish, that I will be, you know, that's it for the year kind of deal. No, I have one more in my make night and I did not make, that I'm going to make, and that one I want to do as well. But anyway, but again, hopefully I get to wear this soon, and something, because I love this. So anyway, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video, and let me know if you read any of these books and how you felt about them, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.